Alright, problem 8. This is a problem where you really have to read. Not because it's terribly difficult, but because when you see a pair of axes, you need to know, do you have to graph or don't you? And there's going to be some clue in the question which will tell you, yes, you must, or it's optional. You might not have to. So let's read it. The coordinates of the vertices of triangle ABC are as follows. You can read that. They ask me to state the coordinates of triangle A prime, B prime, C prime, which is the image of triangle ABC. And then here's my rotation of 90 degrees about the origin. And if you weren't sure, just from this, right? They didn't say graph and state the coordinates. All I have to do is just go A prime, B prime, C prime, and list the accurate coordinates. They tell you this here. The set of axes below is optional, so I don't care about it. I'm going to get rid of it because I'm going rule-based, all right? Rule-based, and my rotation is 90 degrees, and I know the rule for rotation of 90 degrees is negate the y and then switch, right? That negative y comes first, and then the x goes to the end. So let me write out my coordinates. My pre-image, A, is 1, 2, B is -4, 3, and C is -3, -5. Even though they're provided for me, I still want to write them out. I'm taking the time to do it. I'll ultimately save time because I won't make a mistake, or I'll be less likely. So I'm going to put my rule up here because I don't want to have to take my eyes all the way down here to do the work. So I've got my rule in front of me. Now I'm ready to do the math. I negate my y, so that becomes -2, and then I move my x to the back. They switch. I negate my y, that becomes a -3. Sorry about that. And then I take my x and I bring that to the back, -4. The last one, I negate my y, that becomes a +5, and then I take that x and I put it to the back. So there is the answer to our question. I've stated the coordinates of the image of triangle ABC after a rotation of 90 degrees about the origin.